You don't fail. You adapt, learn, and rebuild. When life breaks you, it's easy to believe it's the end. But pain isn't the full story. It's the part that teaches you how strong, flexible, and resilient you truly are. Resilience doesn't mean you don't feel pain. It means you allow it to move through you. You give yourself time to grieve, to rest, to feel. Healing starts when you stop pretending everything is fine and start trusting that you'll rise again. You bend, but you don't break. True strength is found not in avoiding the storm, but in learning to anchor yourself until it passes. It's about feeling everything fully and then consciously choosing to move forward, even if it's just one tiny step at a time. Failure isn't final. It's feedback. Every setback carries a lesson about direction, timing, or strength. Instead of letting it define you, ask yourself, what did this experience teach me? What can I take with me as I move forward? When you reframe failure as just information, it loses its power over you. Think of it as data for your comeback, the raw material you need to build a smarter, more informed strategy for what comes next. It's not a stop sign. It's a detour sign pointing you toward a better path. Recovery takes intention. Start small. Move your body, get some sunlight, connect with someone who lifts you up. Create a gentle structure for your day. One task, one healthy meal, one meaningful conversation at a time. These aren't just chores. They are acts of self-love. Every small act of care is a declaration to yourself and the world that you're not done yet. You're actively participating in your own healing, piece by piece, building momentum for the brighter days ahead. You don't fail. You adapt, learn, and rebuild. Life will break you, but it will also give you the strength to rebuild stronger than before. Remember, you're not starting over from scratch. You're starting wiser, with a wealth of experience. You are not broken. You are becoming. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more content on building a stronger, more resilient life. See you in the next one.